ಜಿಯೋ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. We are in midst of a humanitarian crisis. Its scale, severity, and geographical spread are unseen in last 100 years. It has filled the hearts of each and every Indian with enormous pain and grief. Several of us have borne the brunt of this pandemic. Within our one large Reliance family, the suffering of one family member becomes suffering for all. I feel proud and humbled to share with you that throughout the COVID crisis, our Reliance family has risen to the occasion with a sense of purpose and national duty. Our entire organization has become energized with a spirit of service. Every single employee did his participation directly or indirectly in this fight against COVID and became a goodwill ambassador of Reliance. I'm sure our efforts of last 1.5 years would have made our founding chairman Shri Dhirubhai Ambani proud, because one common unifying thread that runs through everything we have ever done at Reliance is the spirit of care and empathy. We care for our employees and their families. We care for our customers and our shareholders and our partners. We care for this country and the community. Many of us and our Reliance family members have fought this battle from all front lines. Our retail store workers, telecom engineers, doctors, nurses, hospital staff. We carry the deepest gratitude and highest admiration for each one of them and thank them from bottom of our heart. Today, as we meet and speak, I would definitely like to talk about certain stories, certain highlights, what some of our colleagues have done in these testing times. Our network and sales team has gone to extremes to ensure connectivity across Karnataka. Recently, we connected a remote family living 60 kilometers away from UDP near a reserve forest, and there an old couple was able to stay connected with their son at Belgium. Sorry. Recently, our network construction and sales team successfully completed the challenging task of connecting a small village called Jambale near Kudremukh Reserve Forest, which had huge challenge of connectivity due to its terrain. Our people met the village panchayat head, the forest officer, the ranger, along with the power company, using their infra to lay fiber and underground cables and complete the connectivity solution in less than 3 weeks. Today, as I speak, we have more than 150 plus connections running there, and I'm sure more are going to join this unique connectivity, the exclusive connectivity that we have built there. Our people front has been also a very good story. In the new normal scenario, we started virtual hiring, engaged with people on mental, emotional, and physical well-being, both for our employee and their family members, providing 100% medical support to employees and the family during COVID with special medical leave being granted. We were working on L4 labor BCP, where field employees were working directly on the field and rest work from home to give consistent connectivity and service to our customers. Enabling teams through these testing times also enabled us to provide better service and delivery to our customer. You all are aware that how important is vaccination in today's scenario. Vaccination is a passport to work in Reliance, and so far 90% of our team members as I speak are vaccinated, and soon the balance will be also vaccinated. We want to now extend this vaccination to our partners, employees, and families like you. I would urge each one of you, as and when you hear about this communication, to take this opportunity of getting vaccinated if you have still not got vaccinated in your respective village or town. Talking about Geo platform, on this platform is a very important part of my communication. Geo platform is a leading digital company in India with leadership in wireless connectivity and has always given unmatched, unparalleled suite of apps and platform benefits. In spite of COVID, Jio sustained its track record of robust performance. Jio became the first operator outside China to cross 40 crore mobile customers in a single country. We are truly grateful to our valued customers in India. We thank them. Jio is today world's second largest mobile data carrier, handling a monthly traffic of over 630 crore gigabytes. This is nearly 45% plus growth of data consumption in just 1 year, a testament to rapid pace at which India is digitizing. More significantly, Jio continued to be digital lifeline, binding Indians together despite social distancing, lockdowns, and work from home. During the past year, we made all necessary capital investment to further augment and strengthen our market network and giving best of the services to our customers. We bought additional spectrum, making Jio the highest bidder in terms of amount spent and the largest operator of 4G spectrum in India. We have already operationalized nearly 100% of this additional spectrum that we bought and expanding our network infrastructure progressively every single day and week and making our network better and stronger. जियो ने सेवा की क्वालिटी को इस तरीके से बढ़ा दिया है कि आज जियो का नेटवर्क का परचम पूरे भारत में लहरा रहा है, चाहे वो इंडोर कवरेज हो, डाउनलोड स्पीड हो, वीडियो कॉल या वीडियो का अनुभव हो या इस तरह की समस्त सेवाएं हो जो जियो के प्लेटफॉर्म पे उपलब्ध है वो किसी और नेटवर्क के पास उतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी के साथ उपलब्ध नहीं है. These investments have also created capacity to onboard more and more customers, and we clearly plan additional 200 million, that is 20 crore customers addition on Jio's network, thereby bringing digital empowerment to every single Indian and taking them into our 4G platform and 4G network. Today, Jio Associate Day is a very special day for us at Jio and at Reliance. I'm extremely delighted to address each one of you in this event and wish you all the good luck and success in this journey. Thank you.